Okay, it's now warmed up to 3 degrees. We've got a south wind. It is the 16th of January 2024, and if the image is shaking a little bit, you'll forgive me. It'd be cold. I'm excited today. Here we have today's contestants. My first ever plunge into the world of Copenhagen. This is I'm thinking of maybe calling the magic carpet variant of the Copenhagen there, Sharon's Copenhagen. It is made out of kids' sleds. When we were kids, we had the only sleds they would let us take to school for recess were the roll-up plastic kind. So we have a pretty stiff breeze today, and I don't really hold too much hope for making success today. If we get it, we get it. I've also tried to channel some Midwest, Matt West techniques in here. Inside the enclosure, I've got an oven bag. Well, I gotta get in the house. Standing out here with no gloves on to run this tablet is brutal. So forgive the shaking. Maybe I can deal with the shaking this way here. Okay. I'll have to pass out the Dramamine here. I'm excited about the material, and I'm excited about the test. I've got zero experience with the Copenhagen. Won't be able to say that after today, but thus far, I'm still having fun. So that's the main thing. We'll bring you back in about half an hour. Alright, this is it. Three hours, 15 minutes in. Copenhagen. Carpet variant made with children's sleds. Bouncing hot. It's pretty doughy yet. Pretty doughy. And we're at 195. Not sticking to the thermometer at all, but doesn't say much. I'm gonna call it just because I'm sick and tired of running outside here. I think that I really like this Copenhagen. The first half hour, I figured out I was bouncing more light, especially from the backstop out of the cooker instead of on the pot. For a first run out of the gate here, I think it's been a good trial. Now I'm gonna go. I know a little bit more about this one. Just due to messing with it more. It's smelling a little doughy. Let's see. Let's see what the thermometer says here. Oh yeah, that's hot. Yeah, that's hot. Alright. See that? Whoa! Might be at 195 there. I'd say maybe 194. Pushing it in a little makes a difference. So that might be 196, but I'm not getting any higher than that. Oh, well, I'm glad I ran this test. Thank you for coming along. I'll get them in the house, put them on the rack, and we'll take a peek. I don't think they're nice and brown on the bottom, but that may be from the bag holding all the moisture in. We'll get it inside and see. My hands are damn cold. I'm going inside.